Oh no. Oh no.
What? So we put the sails up and the wind died, which seems to be a trend. Do you want to come sit with me?
No.
Why? This.
Because I'm naked.
So, fingers crossed, this is our last night on this terrible, terrible mattress. It's the worst foam ever. There's like, kind of like a rut in the middle, so we both just roll in.
So we're getting
Oh
two
yeah,
pieces.
it's one piece as well. One solid piece of really thick, dense foam, so we can't flip it up to get under to the storage ever because it just doesn't fold. So we're getting two pieces. Tomorrow morning we're going to the foam shop. We already ordered it and everything, so we're gonna bring it here, make sure it fits, and then pay for the remainder. We paid for half of it, so we at least own one half of it. Is that how that works?
Today's the day. Is that new foam smell?
Smell of chemicals? Who doesn't love that smell? That's my side. Excited.
Yeah, how stoked are you right now?
Really? I just want to slip in there.
Try it out.
I have to go to work.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, but I could do just a bit.
Better?
I'm not going to work.
It is better then?
Yes. Morning. So, this morning was the first morning we woke up with our brand new mattress. Oh my gosh. It was really hard to sleep. I think just getting used to the new mattress. We both rolled around a lot all night, but it was still, like, we didn't wake up sore this morning, so that was the whole goal, and I'm sure we'll get used to the bed. It feels so much bigger too, it's weird, so we don't sink into the middle and stuff. So, super pumped about that. And I'm also super pumped that we just happened to walk into our local surf shop the other day just to say hi to our friend, and found a wetsuit on the wall that was like $100 for a brand new wetsuit. So I tried it on and it fit absolutely perfectly. So I'm going to go test it. Oh, it's hot and tight. I'm just gonna go under the boat and, I don't know, look at stuff. Nothing too exciting, so. Feels nice though to have the morning off. Luke is just cleaning some of our ropes. He's like our dinghy davit rope things, lines, whatever. And yeah, it's a nice day. It still feels cold.
Yeah, because it's cold. Oh, come on, don't be chicken.
Oh, it's actually nice.
Way nicer.
Way nicer.
Well, was it worth it?
Yes.
Worth the money?
$100, yeah. Hey, you.
Hey.
Do you want to tell them about your anchor that you just got?
Oh, wow. I found someone who was willing to take a boat project from someone else, so as sort of a finder's fee, I'm trading in the anchors. So I'm getting rid of a 45-pound CQR. I got a like 44-pound Manta. So I was gonna switch them out.
Whoa, careful.
Never taken all these apart before.
So that'll just go on to this?
How's that work?
The same?
Yeah. Look at that thing. Just like that. Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
What?
I might have to grind that thickness down a little bit. Oh yeah, maybe have a snuggle more. There we go. Happy.
Sit. Can you put that on something that goes underwater?
Yeah.
Looky there.
Beautiful. You got mine. Oh, that's beautiful.
Good afternoon, everybody. Haven't been able to sail much. Bad weather, not much wind. But today it's actually really, really nice. Yeah, we're just heading out into the strait right now. I think it's only like 7 or 8 knots of wind, but I think it'll be nice and calm and easy for us. And we got out of the marina so easy, and so we're getting better at it each time we do it, and a lot more confidence, a lot less nerves, and yeah, so it's going good. It's getting smoother. And Luke found a captain's hat the other day and he's very excited about it. Holy, the sea lions are huge.
Yeah, and we're like not moving.
I know, I noticed. Yeah, you might have to put the stank on it.
I did.
Put more stank. All that.
I'm hauling.
Slowly.
It's coming out.
I am not a weak person. Why me. I know I'm not supposed to wrap it around my hand, but there's no other way for me to pull it without it slipping out of my hands. We need to get somebody's opinion on this, on if this is too difficult. I almost got it though. I can't. This is not normal.
Crew change. This one can't do it.
Oh, look. So we put the sails up and the wind died, which seems to be a trend. So now we're gonna motor
To the wind.
to the wind, if it exists.
Maybe tighten the boom up so it doesn't flop around and melt down.
We should just go out that way more.
Yeah.
So we should pull the Genoa over to this side?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. We actually got some wind all of a sudden. Hooray.
Thanks for watching this episode. Like, share, and subscribe. That's it.
Yes.
Captain Croc's out.